impairment of the state in this sense. Both accused persons are absent, as well as their lawyers and not here.
They have not been attending court. Well, I wish to inform this honorable court that there are none attendance for last week's today. Now, first and foremost, both the accused persons are out of the country. Both counsel, the accused persons and state, lost track of this matter on the 22nd of February 2023. I'm trying to tell you how we lost track of the matter. Your Honor, the next time the matter came up,
Evidence to show that these two clients are out of the country. Photocopies of their passports. The second one, Your Worship, is that seek permission of the court to enable those two accused persons to travel outside the jurisdiction. Yet earlier, where that warrants of arrest be issued against both, and criminal charges be issued against their respective sureties.
Appear in the court. He says that the failure by the accused persons to show up has frustrated his endeavors to offer them a speedy trial. Mr. Kyazze insists that when the matter was called on the 22nd of February, the accused persons who were actually in court, who were actually not in court, who were not in court, it prompted the court to issue criminal summons against them. The matter was adjourned the 23rd of March this year. The 23rd of March, only A2, Mr. Lubega Samuel was in court. Again, the court extended criminal summons for Dr. Besigye, and the matter was adjourned to the 11th. When the matter was called on the 11th of May, the accused persons were present in court, were represented by Mr. Muwumuza. However, the trial magistrate was on leave, and the matter was adjourned by a different magistrate to the 21st of June. On the 21st of June, the accused persons and their counsel, who were present when the matter was adjourned, did not show up. Adjourned today, 27th of July. Still, the accused persons have not showed up, although their lawyer, Mr. Mukaku, is here. Now, counsel for the accused person submits that his clients traveled out of the country. He, however, has not provided any proof of the said travel. He has also claimed that the matter had lost track on the 22nd of February, which is false. The accused persons appeared in court much later on the 21st of May. In my view, the prosecution has made a compelling case to justify the issuance of the warrant of arrest against the two accused persons, and the same is issued. I also issued criminal summons against their sureties. The matter is adjourned to the 25th of August. Also,
nga yakitwala nti tebaagala kwatendinga kooti. So tetusuubira nti sikituufu. Emirundi mingi nga bawaabirwa bajja mu kkooti nga either omulamuzi ataliiwo oba omuwaabi wa gavumenti. Nze kennyini Kamwakoogera najja mu kkooti ng'ennaku z'omwezi 27 omwezi ogwokubiri ssaawa 4 ne ntuuka ng'omulamuzi takolaki taliiwo. Ne tugenda oba omusango ne bagongezaayo omwezi ogwokusatu ne tukomawo ng'omulamuzi ali muki ali muliivu. Omulundi omulala ne nzijja n'abawaabira era ng'omulamuzi takolaki omulamuzi taliiwo, omusango ne bagwalijaani nga ku ddeeti ey'emabega gye bataasobola kubeerawo. Era ensonga lwaki tebaliiwo because ddeeti eyo baali tebagikolaki tebagimanyi. Olwaleero lwategedde nti balina okwapiyalinga mu kkooti nga puliida waabwe n'enzija mbeerewo ntegeeza omulamuzi nti tebaliiwo mu ggwanga era tuwe olunaku olulala bajje baapiyalinge. So kitumazeemu amaanyi nti omulamuzi ensonga etuzimugambye tasuulirizza ye n'asalawo tebawaabire bakoleki bakwatibwe baleetebwe mu kkooti omupaka. Naye ensala eyo tetusanyusizza, tugikubyemu ebituli era tugenda kutuula nga bannamateeka baba bawaabirwa tulabe ki ekyokuzzaako sinakindi okugijulirako.